Hey, welcome back to Gear Choice Channel. Get ready to elevate your fishing game with the Handing Spinning Reel, the ultimate combination of performance, durability, and precision engineering. Introducing the Handing series, available in 5 sizes from 500 to 5,000, designed to tackle any fishing challenge with ease. Featuring a Nike 1 bearing system for unparalleled smoothness, a 5.2-1/G ratio for quick retrieves, and a robust triple-disc synthetic drag system capable of handling up to 12 kg of resistance. The Money is built to perform under pressure. Crafted with a high-strength graphite frame and CNC aluminum handle, the Mun offers long-lasting performance and superior sensitivity, while its interchangeable design ensures maximum versatility for anglers of all preferences. Like, share, and comment on this video to spread the word about the Handing Spinning Reel, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting fishing gear reviews and giveaways. Ready to upgrade your fishing arsenal? Click the link in the description below to buy your Handing Spinning Reel today and experience the difference for yourself.